Hey everybody, this is Cage. You are watching Cage Reacts, and we are going to jump right into this Hot Ones. Literally one of my favorite, if not favorite, internet shows out there. They did a collaboration with Popeyes. Popeyes chicken sandwich, yeah. So they've got the Rojo chicken sandwich. That's what we're gonna get into here right now. Smells good. All right. Okay, that's the Rojo spread on top there. Little pickle action on the bottom. All right, let's get into it. That Rojo sauce is very nice on there. As usual, that's a winner for Popeyes.